Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave a little like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright, here guys, I have two snapper. I think they're yellowtail snapper, but I'm not sure, but there are two snappers. Alright, and guys, I'm gonna bake these bad boy. Alright, so we're gonna put some seasoning on it. I wash it in vinegar and I clean out the inside. Alright, so we're gonna put about few cuts. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt, not much guys, because I'm gonna put some seasoning on it too, so we don't want too much salt. A little bit of black pepper, and you want to season it on both sides, okay? Now we're gonna go in with some fish seasoning, and this one is Jamaican fish seasoning. Just put a little bit. We're gonna go in with a little onion powder. Not much guys, remember it's fish, just a little bit, just a smidge. All right, basically you don't want to use more than half teaspoon for both of them. And some garlic powder. Garlic is good. We're gonna go in with a little bit of paprika. I already add some coconut oil to the bottom, this one, and I'm gonna add a little bit more on top of the fish. We're gonna put it on both sides. Just like that. Now the next thing, I have my blended seasoning. And I'm gonna add just about a teaspoon, not too much. We're gonna put a little bit like so, rub it up on both sides. And a little bit inside there, guys. I know guys, my mom said to put some pimento grain in it. Alright, so I'm gonna put like few. So we're gonna stuff the fish now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna add another 4 into this one. And guys, what I have here, I have some ginger. I'm gonna put 2 pieces of ginger. 2 pieces of ginger in both of them, just like so. And I have some onions and some scallion. I'm gonna put it in the middle. The reason why I put the greaseproof paper, because after it bakes, I don't want the fish to stick to the pan. All right, you can also wrap these individual in foil paper, but I have the easier way out. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna cover this just like that. I'm gonna pop it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and take a look at it. All right, and my oven is preheated at 350. All right guys, I have some leftovers steamed cabbage or fried cabbage. I will leave a link how to make this recipe, and I'm gonna serve it up with some of my baked fish. All right, yes. All right, see the goodness? We're gonna take it out. Woo! And they're all done. Guys, you want to actually leave it into 40 to 45 minutes. All right, that's the time it was in there. All right, and that's it. That's my baked fish. I just put the thing under it. All right. Woo! Can you see the goodness there, guys? I'm gonna serve up some of the cabbage. I'm not gonna put it on my fish. I'm gonna serve it as a side dish. I have a lemon slice. I think maybe I said it right here. All right, and I have some onions. We don't want to overcrowd the fish. All right, yeah. My baked fish with lots of veggie inside, onion, thyme. Oh, you know me forget the thyme though. Oh dear. But anyhow, thyme is in my blended seasoning. All right, so guys, I serve it up with one lemon slice and some onions, and that's my side dish right there. My fried cabbage, steamed cabbage, stir fry cabbage, same thing. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. You have a wonderful day, guys. Woo! Let me show you. Oh dear. Oh, I didn't show you inside, guys. Look at that. Can you see inside? Fully cooked. Look at the seasoning there. Why? Woo! Can't wait. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. Woo!